Hello, and welcome back. Today, we will enjoy a slow English story for beginners. The title of today's story is The Lost Key. This story is warm, simple, and easy to follow. Listen carefully, relax, and let's begin. Lily came home from school in the late afternoon. The sky was soft and clear. She felt a little tired, but she was happy to be home. Lily walked to the front door and opened her bag. She looked for her key. She checked the small front pocket. She checked the side pocket too. But the key was not there. At first, Lily smiled and thought, "It must be here." Then she looked again. This time her hands moved faster. Her face became warm. She whispered, "Oh no, where is my key?" Her mother heard her voice from inside the house. She opened the door and asked, "What happened?" Lily said, "I can't find my key. I had it this morning." Her mother did not get angry. She put a hand on Lily's shoulder and said, "Don't worry. Take your time. Let's think about it together." Lily took a deep breath. She said, "I used the key when I left home. Then I put it in my bag. After that, I went to school, ate lunch, and came back." Her mother asked, "Did you open your lunch bag today?" Lily nodded. "Yes, I did. I took out my lunchbox and my water bottle." Just then, Lily's father came to the door. He smiled and said, "Let's look again, slowly this time." Lily opened her bag one more time. She checked every pocket carefully. Then her father pointed to the lunch bag. "What about that small pocket inside?" he asked. Lily stopped. She had not looked there. She opened the lunch bag and felt inside the little pocket. Something cold touched her fingers. Her eyes grew wide. "I found it," she said. The key was there. Lily laughed, and her mother laughed too. Her father said, "See? Slow is better." Lily smiled and said, "I was so nervous." Her mother replied, "It's okay. Everybody loses things sometimes. The important thing is to stay calm and look again." That evening, Lily put the key on a small hook by the door. She said, "Next time, I will put it in the same place." Her father said, "Good idea." Lily felt light again. She learned something simple that day. When a small problem comes, a calm heart can help a lot. "I can't find my key." Don't worry. Take your time. Let's think about it together. Let's look again, slowly this time. "I found it." It's okay. A calm heart can help a lot. I can't find my key. Don't worry. Take your time. Let's think about it together. I found it. It's okay. A calm heart can help a lot. Small problems can feel big at first. But when we slow down, answers often come. See you in the next story.